Hey there, welcome back to the MJK Tips channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for all your creative minds. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Canva for free. Yes, of course, 100% free Canva Pro account. Awesome tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of Canva Pro without breaking the bank. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you will never miss out on our creative tutorials, hacks, and design inspiration.
Open Canva official page. And then sign up as free account. It's my free Canva account. And asking me to upgrade to Pro. Now open a new tab. And search by typing a bingo tingo. Click this link in description. After opening this website, scroll down the page. And wait for 45 seconds. Now click on the download button. And you will be redirected to a new page. Once the new page opens, 3 options will appear. Click on the first one. Get here. After that, you'll be redirected to the official Canva page. Double-check that your free account has been migrated to a Pro account. Friends, all features are unlocked. Enjoy your Canva Pro version for life.
Thanks for watching my video.